All right, here we go. 2011 Dodge Durango 5.7 Hemi, number 3. Coil pack is gone. It's a number 3 cylinder misfire. And that's your number 3 coil pack. Well, all coil packs fit in the same places. They're interchangeable amongst each other. I'm not gonna sit here and bull crap around. Check this out. First thing you do, take your thing off, pop it off. Pull her out, gently set her on the ground. All right, there's your coil packs. You see this is number 1? First one towards the front of the engine, number 1. 1, 3, 5, 7. See, I ain't gonna waste no time on this, guys. 1, 3, 5, and 7. Number 3 is bad right here. You see this tab, this is on number 3. There's a button right here in the middle, like a tab. You push in and you can pull it out. See how that happened? All right, we'll put that back in because that's number 1, don't need it. All right, number 3, push in, boom, pull out. There it is. See there? Got a socket and a ratchet. Number 10, 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Right here on these bolts. Right there. Alright, next one right there. Get back front of this hose. Alright, got that done. I'm telling you, man, y'all gonna love this. Make sure these are good and loose. This one, pull straight up, straight up. It ain't hard, it won't be hard to pull, but there it is. Look at that. Look how quick that was, man. Coil pack. And for those of you who don't know, the Hemis, the almighty Hemis, has 2 spark plugs per cylinder. That's right. This engine has 16 spark plugs. Get your money right when you change the plugs. All right, there it is. Look at that, there's a new one, brand new. Hey, like that. Same thing. Bolts come already in. All right, see the holes down there where it came out of? Can you see? Yep, you can see 1, 2. See that? Just stick these back in here. Make sure your electronic plugs goes to the left. And we're gonna set them back in there if I can see here. All right. And just slide it right back down, like so. Start your bolt here. Make sure it's all good. Yes, sir. Reach down here and start the other bolt. Yes, sir. All right. Take your ratchet, turn that bad boy around. Yes, sir. All right, get down and dirty with this one. We'll get it almost bottomed out, and then I'll go to the other one. Bottom that one out. Yes, sir. Go ahead and get this one. Put your ratchet back, take your plug, plug her in right there. There you go. Set your top back on. Oh, like so. I'll push them down in just a second, but there you go. And you're done, man. Just that quick. Just that quick. Close the hood and keep rolling. All right, everybody done coming up shortly with some fuel injectors. All right, peace.